We are pleased to show you the 2021 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.